Vaibhav Suryavanshi batting the way that he is, it should actually be taking the pressure off Yashasvi Jaiswal.
Smartly done, using the pace, guiding it over short third, and Suryavanshi with his first four. Oh, up and over goes Suryavanshi, and it's typical of the youngster. Almost guided it, caressed it for six over extra. Somehow contrives to uppercut flick this for six. A Suryavanshi special.
Yeah, second time today, Vaibhav Suryavanshi has played this shot.
And flays this for four through extra cover. Ungainly, but effective.
It's just over. Suryavanshi for a moment there, a split second, heart in the mouth possibly, but it's another biggie to the total. Oh, flying blade. Busy over to start with, 6 and 4, so the bowler immediately under pressure here. Up and over. Thick edge, one bounce, and the advertising, you know it. Got all of it, answer. Way back.
And yes, I'm asking, where is the chit? Where is the chit now? Chit is in the pocket, right? So with 24 deliveries, you've got 6.
Got it, gone for 4 more. Best over the match so far, 26, 9 bowled, it's 110 for 1. And a cheeky little reverse. They will get through for a single or the fumble, so there's another half century to Vaibhav Suryavanshi in season 19. There's a celebration for you. It's a little different.
Very, very fine innings. Good stop there, very good stop. Saving runs for his team. That's what LSG will need, whatever that means.
Make it some more. Pommy and Bunga, eat your heart out, you know it. 121 for 1 here. Now get this too, because you're going to have to fetch it, fat it, 6 more. Suryavanshi. 6 4s, 6 6s if you do so. Slower bouncer. 50th 6 for Suryavanshi. This one disappears. 16 off the 11th, and the double R's got a 137 for 1 now. Up and over. Here we go again. 6 more.
Look at that, over extra cover of a ball delivered at 146 kilometers per hour. Length ball, slot ball, whatever you might call it, it was bowled at speed and is almost hit that car.
He goes into the surface and gets fatted with a capital P. Holy schmoly. Biggest over of a night. It's 29 and fine off the dozen overs. It's 166 for 1 here.
And he's repaying them with rich dividends. Suryavanshi has crushed this. Goes big again, square. Can't quite get hold of that, it's Mitchell Marsh. It's a century partnership. It's 177 for 1 in 13. Suryavanshi, not this time, no! Abdul Samad spoils the fun for the home fans. It's not to be a century for Suryavanshi.
Change of pace has done the trick, that is for sure. Suryavanshi, a stunning innings. 93 from 38 with a strike rate of 245. He goes, and the Royals lose their second wicket at 180.